Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable JavaScript on Windows 10 using Google Chrome. JavaScript is essential for interactive websites, so turning it on will give you the best browsing experience. And don't worry, the process is simple and only takes a minute. First, open Google Chrome. You can do this from your desktop, the taskbar, or the Start menu, whichever is easiest for you. Next, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome to open the main menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings tab, look for Privacy and Security. This is where Chrome manages permissions and website controls. Click on it, then select Site Settings. Now scroll down until you find the JavaScript option. Click it and make sure the toggle is turned on so that sites are allowed to use JavaScript. This will improve site functionality and allow interactive features to work properly. And that's it. You've successfully enabled JavaScript on Windows 10 using Chrome. Keeping JavaScript on ensures smooth browsing, but if you ever need to, you can adjust permissions for individual sites. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.